Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 most important lessons that I think all beginners should be aware of before building their crypto portfolios. Honestly, knowing these lessons earlier would have made my crypto journey a lot smoother. That's why this video is crucial. So grab a notebook and pen and let's jump right into it. And just to clarify, this list isn't in any particular order. It's simply just the 10 things that I think will be the most helpful to beginners. So just learn from these mistakes. Now, number one is risk versus reward for smaller portfolios. Now, what does this mean? Well, pretty much, if your portfolio is under $5,000, then it's way better to stick to 2 to 4 well researched coins because fewer investments mean you can focus on higher quality assets and achieve better returns. This way, you'll have a better chance of seeing substantial gains from each coin rather than minimal returns from many. And look, it's not just me saying it, right? These are big crypto Twitter influencers. I mean, Crypto Wizard, he's the biggest in the space. And if he just said, well, he didn't just say, but if he has written before that a portfolio of $2,500 should have only a max of 2 projects, and those being altcoins as well, so that has to be something, right? So mid to low caps and no high caps. And over here, another big crypto Twitter influencer. If you're investing less than $20,000, you shouldn't be holding more than 5 altcoins. It sounds crazy now, doesn't it? This was one of the mistakes that I made early on. I spread my money across too many coins, which ultimately led to lower returns. So just understand this, aping $50 in 50 coins won't bring you generational wealth. And it's so true, man. Like, if you think logically, obviously holding $50 in 50 different projects will bring us generational wealth. But I don't get why as beginners we don't get this. Okay, now moving on. The second point is to never put all your money into a single coin. What you need to start doing is diversify your portfolio across a few carefully selected coins. Why? Well, pretty much because this helps reduce risk and protect your investments from market volatility. If one coin flops or crashes, your entire portfolio won't be at risk. That's why you should be holding a few coins across different narratives. If one narrative is underperforming, another might still be doing well. And if you need some narratives, these are my favorite: AI, deepin, real world assets, and privacy. Okay, now the third one is be ready to act when the market dips. Major price drops can create opportunities to buy undervalued assets. One of my biggest mistakes was selling when the market took a big hit. I sold out of fear and missed out on so much. I'm talking like multiple 30x's. Now, lesson learned. So just remember what Warren Buffett said: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So hopefully you understand that. It's really important that you do get it, so make sure you stick it in the back of your head. Now, number 4 is focus on market narratives and catalysts. Now, what is that? Well, pretty much catalysts equals the events that drive hype, and narrative equals the stories that people form as a result of a catalyst. This is because they are formed around knowledge of an event rather than the occurrence of the event itself. For example, NFTs, AI, and the metaverse, etc. You get the point. That's why knowing the catalysts and the narrative behind them is important. They influence how people react and where the market goes. Now, moving on to the fifth one. The fifth one is you don't have to be the first person to profit if you want to make a lot of money. I mean, like, yes, obviously being early will make you more money, but it's way better to focus on timing your investments and aligning with projects that show strong momentum. Don't be that guy that just apes into any coin that you see random influencers promoting, saying, oh, this could happen, or this could happen, or well, this could happen, because chances are you're going to get smoked and you're going to lose half your portfolio, if not most of your portfolio, when things go bad. That's why you need a good solid plan and you must stick to it. You might be able to get away with it when we're in like the prime of the bull market, but other than that, you're going to lose. So have a plan and stick to that plan. One thing I will never stop saying is always take your initial out after 2x. Now, if you don't listen, you're going to learn the hard way regardless. So yeah, just understand that. Now, the sixth one is a bit of a different one. Pretty much, most altcoins will never reach their all-time high again, and the chances get smaller as the projects get older. It's a bit of a weird one, but as a beginner, you usually only hear about the big coins like BNB, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Avalanche, etc. You get the point. If you don't have a lot of money, then don't be aping into these coins. I mean, if you want to play it really safe, you can. But it's not going to make you generational wealth. So just remember this. Newer coins tend to perform better than older coins, but are also more riskier. And most altcoins will never reach their all-time high again. And the chances get smaller as the projects get older. So if you're finding this video valuable, then be sure to like and subscribe. These videos do take a long time to make, so yeah, that'll be nice. Okay, now the seventh one is focus on a few high conviction winners. Most of your gains will come from a few key investments. It's one of the most important lessons you'll learn in crypto. And the thing is, you'll succeed in crypto with just a few select coins, not all of them. You really only need one or two strong coins to build momentum and set yourself up for success. Literally, you don't need to be a genius to make it in crypto, but you just need to be patient. Make sure you're taking profit because you do not want to ride your coins all the way up and all the way down, which most people tend to do. So don't be that guy. Okay, so moving quickly, the eighth one is trading should not be your only source of income. When the market is in your favor, you'll be fine. But if the market suddenly turns, which is very common in crypto due to its volatility, not having another income source will make it very difficult when things go bearish. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The ninth one is stay informed and stay ahead. Continuously update your knowledge and adjust your strategy based on market conditions. Whether you're just aping into a few coins and letting it stay there, or you keep dabbling in and out of coins, staying informed about trends, news, and development is crucial for long-term success. When the market is boring and you can't be bothered looking at it, make sure you're looking at it. Most of the time, there's things going on behind the scenes that people who are not in crypto won't be aware of. And you not being in crypto will not be aware of it. And you're going to miss out on that opportunity. So always stay informed and stay ahead. Finally, number 10, arguably the most important, and that is being part of a community and following the right influences. The influences you follow will shape your experience in crypto. Think about it. If you're constantly following negative or bearish influences, that's how your mindset will become too. So it's crucial to follow the right people and join the right communities. I have a list of my favorite influencers and I'll share them in my Discord. The link will be in the comments and the description below. It's a new Discord, so be sure to check it out for exclusive crypto insights, updates, and community alpha. Don't miss out. So this is just a quick recap for you all. I hope you found the video valuable. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.